You've been asking for this one for a while now, so here it is. The inspiration of many a modern equal parts cocktail. The last word actually dates to pre-prohibition, dreamed up at the Detroit Athletic Club around 1915. The combination of gin, maraschino, green chartreuse and lime juice may sound a little Frankenstein-y on paper, but they come together to be way more beauty than beast. Gonna get started with the star of the show here really, the chartreuse. 20 mils of that. Then 20 mils of just a good London dry gin, 20 mils of maraschino liqueur, and 20 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then we're just gonna fill our shaker tins up with ice and shake as hard as we can. Get your little coupe glass, or I've gone for a little Nick and Nora for this one, out of the fridge. And then we're just gonna pop a little cherry in there as a nod to the maraschino liqueur. And there we have a last word. So now you know, time to taste. It's really good, like it just obviously with the lime in there really kind of brightening everything up, and that little bit of sweetness from the maraschino and everything, you still get a lot of that fresh herbaceousness, but the kind of hotter spice that I didn't enjoy as much tasting it neat is just taken out, so it's just quite zippy and fresh, but just really interesting. Yeah, I think there's a reason why this one's still around for sure.